everybody, my name is Ashley and today I'm here to review on the 13 Honey new launch item, Honey Bird's Nest. So this is the single set with one bottle of bird's nest inside. Now let's open it up and see. I got it in rose flavor and it's 150 grams per bottle. Oh my god, it's so concentrated. Okay, let me try it. Get a spoon. Get it in my mouth. Oh my god, so good. It has a faint smell of rose fragrance. The rose fragrance linger around my mouth. It's not very strong, but it's nice. I think it's a very good gift. It's nice that I give a gift to somebody.